Here's how to fix the standby mode not working issue on your iPhone after the iOS 17 update. To solve this, try out these advanced guidelines to solve this standby mode not working problem on your iPhone. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything, turn off these quick settings. Slide down, turn off the low power mode, and turn off do not disturb mode. Then check your issue. If you find that it's still working, then try our easy solution below. Solution 1. Enable the standby mode on your iPhone. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on Standby, and ensure that you've turned on the standby option. If it still doesn't work, then try our next solution. Solution 2. Check and update your iPhone. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap on Software Update. If you find that there's a new update available, then tap on Update. After that, check whether your issue is solved or not. Solution 3. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset. Then tap on Reset. Select Reset All Settings, and you will reset all settings. After that, enter your passcode and reset your network setting. Be warned, because resetting all settings will reset your passwords and cookies, so make sure to remember your password as well. So, this is how you can fix standby not working issue on your iPhone. And if you have any kind of questions, then write them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.